Hey guys, it's me Sanyukta, and today I'm going to show you 15 things you could do to pass the time to avoid losing your mind given the current situation due to coronavirus outbreak, or if you're watching this in future and this whole quarantine thing is over and you're just bored at home. My heart goes out for everyone suffering during this tough time. The purpose of this video is to make out the best out of the horrible time, not to glamorize it in any way. Okay, first read. So my brother is doing this think quick thing where he tries to read a book a day, but I'm not learned like him, but at least we can try to read. Second, workout. This is the best time where we can achieve those booty goals and actually have time to do exercises in the morning. Make a new habit. So I've been trying to get up early in the morning and it feels really good. Pursue a hobby. It could be anything dancing, writing. I love dancing, so I'm making a point that I make a video. Plug in. Watch my new YouTube video if you haven't already. Create content. Do anything, write, make videos, something, but let your creativity flow. It's very pleasing, I know. Just give it a try. Update your social media accounts. I know 95% of the people, my friends at least, do not post on social media because they don't find time. So post all those pictures that you have been saving for a long time now. Okay? Cook or help your mom in the kitchen. Either you can try or learn something new, or you can be like me and just entertain your parents in the kitchen. See, so happy she is. Take care of your pets. Here, that's me giving birth to Angel, one, and also talking to Champ about his love life. He's very stressed because he has no pyar, apparently. That's what he told me. Guys, clean your wardrobe. This is the best time where you can sort your clothes, what you want to wear, plan some outfits. I have finally cleaned my suitcase, by the way, guys. I'm not going back to Milan. Oh my god. Spend time with your sibling. I like playing bingo with him. I finally learned the trick. Thanks, Molu. Learn makeup. All girls, you should know how to do at least the basic makeup. If you don't know, please, you can learn makeup from YouTube. I don't know myself, but I watch makeup videos. But now I have at least idea कि किसके बाद क्या लगाना चाहिए या क्या चीज़ मेरे को खरीदना है. तो go watch. सेल्फ केयर इससे बढ़िया टाइम तुम्हें कब मिलेगा पैम्पर योर सेल्फ पुट फेस पैक ऑयल योर हेयर this is just me trying TikTok. There are too many TikTok videos, I realize. But yeah, I'm very creative on TikTok. You should follow me. Shamelessly plugging in. Netflix and chill was the best time. You are officially allowed to just sleep and watch Netflix whole day. For me, to Netflix means friends, but I heard watching new series is also fun. Find new songs. Yeah, I recently found this channel called Color Studio, and they have amazing collection of new songs, variety of songs. You can try that or Spotify, anything, whichever works for you. Declutter your phone. Oh my God, we always keep forget about this. But yeah, trash all those photos that you don't need and you have posted already, and clean your laptop. It'll give you a clear mindset. Trust me, it does. And of course, sleep, baby. What's the best thing than dreamland? Go. I hope this video helped you in some way. I love each and every one of you so much. Please stay safe and stay positive. And don't forget to smile, please. I'll see you with another video. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.